National Service Scheme is a central sector scheme of Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It provides opportunity to the students, youth of different school, colleges and university level of India to take part in various government-led community service activities and programs. The sole aim of the NSS is to provide hands-on experience to youths in delivering community services. The NSS unit NEHU Tura Campus from the Department of Management on the 31st March 2023 has participated in the making of eco-friendly bins with bamboos. This program has been successful and fruitful with the active participation of the NSS volunteers along with the program coordinator Dr. Dept. The Department of Management on this day had made around 10 bins and placed each at different departments inside the campus. Bamboo is a wonderful, natural and renewable resource. It is capable of rapid growth which can avoid future deforestation. The mere fact that they are very easy to grow, bamboo is seen as one of the finest material that we can use in creating an eco-friendly and sustainable product that won't cause serious harm to our environment, unlike those are made of plastic materials. On this day, we also had some refreshments followed by the photo session among all the NSS volunteers along with our head of the department, Professor Abhigyan Bhattacharjee, campus in charge Professor Sujata Gurudev and with some of the professors from the university. Lastly, being a part of the NSS volunteers, it has helped the students in all the way around to grow individually or as a group. It also allows us to become confident, develop leadership skills and many more.